Let's make some buns! Let's gather bowls and play. Baking buns today! Oops, that is the salt, cracking lots of eggs. Mixing up the dough, messy, sticky glow.
This is awful. I can't get it off my spoon.
Shape them in a ball. Heat is way too tall. Oh, the smoke is gray. Cooking goes astray. Look at the tray, they're dark and brown. Mommy and Papa are in town.
Look at all these cookies. This is amazing.
Take a little bite, oh what to say. It's good they smile, hip hip hooray! Ooh, let's learn something new. Oops, too much of a salty surprise. Papa shows us with kind eyes. Just 2 eggs is the perfect way to make our buns yummy today. Mixing together smooth and gold, a perfect story to be told.
We turn the dial right here to start the oven.
Turning the dial, a safe yellow light. Now our fluffy buns are baking right.
They look absolutely perfect. Wow. Can I have one?
Yummy, yummy, take a bite. Golden buns, a pure delight. Give a dance, clap your hands. The happy feast, it tastes so grand.